Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to connect Shopify with AliExpress. So first things first, you have to create an account on Shopify, create an account on AliExpress, and Deezers. So here you have to simply log in these platforms as much as possible in one browser. So if you don't know or if you don't have an account in Deezers, you just have to simply go to Deezers, tap on Get Started, create an account using your email and password, and that's it. Now go to your Shopify. You can also install Deezers to your Shopify, and all you have to do is go to Apps. Now go to Shopify Store. And then in the Shopify store, you have to look for Deezers right here. Tap on Deezers. As you can see, there is this Deezers AliExpress Dropshipping. Now what you're going to do is install Deezers AliExpress to your Shopify. And then next is you need to authorize this Deezers. So log in and authorize. Log into your account. Tap on the free version since I'm going to just show you what it looks like. I'm going to use the free version. And after that, I'm going to link my AliExpress to my Deezers. So log in my AliExpress right here. Make sure that this is the account of AliExpress. That's the reason why I told you earlier it's better to log in these platforms in the same browser. So once you have this, then this is what it looks like. This is Deezers. So you can go to AliExpress and look for that product that you want to import to your Deezers, or you can just go to Deezers. You will see here products of AliExpress. All you need to do is to look or find that product that you want to add to your Shopify store. So products from AliExpress push to your Shopify store. So all you have to do is click these products, and then after that, tap on Add to Import List, select language, and then confirm. So once you have import this, then you can now push this products from AliExpress to your Shopify. Make sure that you have added the correct Shopify store. You can recheck here if this is your Shopify store. You can edit, you can add information. Once done, tap on Push to Stores. Go to your Shopify to see if you have added these products from AliExpress to your Shopify product with the help of users. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.